Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there on this terrific Tuesday, on this chilly morning, wherever you are? Oh my goodness. Grab your hot beverage, whether it's coffee, tea, whatever it is. Need your hot beverage this morning. Oh my goodness. Okay. It is chilly, illy. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back just to do a quick update on BrunoEx. I got started with this one a week or so ago, and I had a oops. I made a deposit, but didn't select the plan somehow, and it just sat all last week and didn't earn anything. All right, and then I discovered, hey, something is wrong. So I went back and checked into it, and it looks like it's moving right along. But before we get into that, this is BrunoEx. They offer exchange, okay, where you can exchange crypto from one currency to another. You can also buy and sell crypto on this platform without uploading any documents. No KYC is required. All right, they have over 50,000 exchange pairs to choose from. And they're offering up to 2% cash back on swaps and buy and sales. Okay, fast cryptocurrency exchange. I've used them a few times now since I've discovered them, because this is a service I was already using with other platforms. So I've been using BrunoEx. They have 98% success rate, 5 minutes average exchange time, no additional fees. Track your transaction status. Steps to exchange. They show you how to do that. Step 1, choose your exchange pair. Pick one of the 50,000 supported currency pairs from the list. Step 2, make your deposit. Confirm details and send selected crypto assets to the displayed address. Step 3, obtain your swapped crypto. Get exchange crypto with the best available rates. All right, they show you how it works. They even have a little tutorial right here to show you how to do it in 2 minutes. Exchange tutorial, best viewed on Google Chrome desktop. How about that? DeFi platform. Through BrunoEx, you will have access to decentralized liquidity of Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Exchange of DEX exclusive assets across blockchains, reduced network fees, and fewer on-chain transactions. The best way to buy crypto with fiat. BrunoEx lets you purchase crypto with more than 50 fiat currencies using your Visa or MasterCard. Non-custodial platform. With BrunoEx, you are assured of privacy and security. We are a non-custodial exchange service. Your privacy is important to us. Your funds are not under our control. You are not obligated to sign up with us. As I stated earlier, don't even have to sign up to use the exchange to buy and sell or exchange crypto. Okay, pretty cool. So that's a service that they offer, and I'll show you how simple it is. Let's say right here, if I wanted just what they have here, if I wanted to exchange BTC to BNB, click exchange. You know, the pairs are here. Before we do that, let's see, I've already moved too fast. It's probably too late now. I've already clicked it, and this thing is okay. So see, this comes up. Enter the details. I've got a lot of tabs open, so that's why I've got all this going on. Hang on a second. Okay, so see, it shows you, please enter the details of your exchange. Right here. This comes up, and then they ask you, well, where do you want it to go? Okay. Enter the exchange details. Step 1, confirm the exchange. Step 2, step 3, complete the exchange. Okay. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Pretty cool stuff here. Hang on a second here. Uh-oh. Whoa. Okay, so that is a couple of the services they offer. But they also have, which is what I was interested in, investment plans. Okay, so let's take a look at that. And then I will show you guys my plan and what I've got going on here. So you can earn up to 202% APY by investing as low as USD 10. Okay, crypto in, crypto out. Stable profits regardless of volatility in the market. No KYC requirement to invest. Internal P2P transfer. Choose your preferred investment plan and start earning now. You can opt to invest quarterly, half a year, or yearly and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. All right, so here's some of the plans. They have 6 plans. The top 3 here are monthly. See, it says monthly. Standard plan, 1.25% monthly profits, 3 months. And it's 10 minimum to 1,000 max for 3 months. The payout term is monthly, and you get your capital back at the end of the term. The total return is 103.75%. They have a premium plan that's 2.5% monthly profits for 6 months. Minimum deposit $50, max $10,000. It's a 6-month plan. Your payout term is monthly, and you get your capital back at the end of the term. Total return 115%. Ultimate plan, 5% monthly profits for 1 year. Minimum deposit $100, maximum deposit $100,000. Term duration is 1 year. Your payout term is monthly, and you get your capital back at the end of the term. Total return 160%. Okay, this is not a hype, guys. This is not the hypey stuff that you see out there. I like this because it looks to be a sustainable platform. Okay, they've been around, I believe, 1 year, I believe. Wealth booster plans, limited period only. Now, this is what I got started in. Daily plan, 1.25% daily for 90 days. Minimum deposit 10. Max 1,000 for 90 days. Payout term daily. Get your capital return included. It's included. Okay. Total return 112.5%. All right. Next plan, daily plan, 0.75% per day, 480 days. Minimum deposit 500, max 10,000 for 180 days. Daily term. Payout term daily. Now they pay out, you request your withdrawal on Thursday and they pay out on Friday. Okay, with these. All right, capital return is included. Okay, total return 135% on that daily plan. Last plan, 0.55% per day for 365 days. Minimum deposit 1,000, maximum deposit 100,000. Term duration 365 days. Payout term daily. Capital return included. 202% total return. Okay. 10% bonus on your first deposit. They show you how to invest. Crypto investments, 2 minutes right here. 2.243. Okay. They show you how to do that. Simple and easy. And they also have a referral program here. It's not required. You're going to earn passively anyway. But if you're interested in earning additional, you can refer others, share your link, and get 10% bonus on your first investment. Get 5% bonus on all your referral investments, bonus for referral. Okay, guys? Cool deal. So I like what I saw. So I decided to go ahead and select the 1.25 for 90 days. All right, so we're in here. Here are those plans I just went over with you, investment plans. Here's our basket investment plans. You can opt to invest quarterly, half a year, yearly, and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. Okay, so once you're in the dashboard, you can click our plans and you can see those. And actually click invest now and do that. All right, so you can see here I've already started earning because I goofed some sort of way. So what I would suggest, let's see here, is, let's see if this thing is gonna move fast. Hang on one moment. Okay, so invest on there's my daily plan, right? 1.25 bonus, okay, etc. Now, and here's your link. If you do decide to share it, click dashboard, come down here, it says refer us and earn. Click here, and here's your link. Okay. All right. So to get started, you're going to, this is what I thought I did. I missed something, but you can look at the plans. Let's go back over here. Let's say you want to do this one. Is this the one I have? Standard. No, daily, 90 days. Let's say you want to, so you click invest now, right? Right, there we go. You click invest now. I believe I did deposit and then somehow missed this part. But anyway, so you go to the plan. This is what I would do. Okay, because I messed around, missed a step, missed the whole week. So over here to the left says our plans. That way it's one step. All right, here's the 6 plans. Pick one. So you say invest now. Yes, this is the plan I want right here. It tells you here, invest on daily plan, 1.25%. Invest for 90 days. It goes over that again. You type in that amount. Remember the minimum, it says right here is 10. So type what you want. The max is 1,000. And then you click in continue to invest. Okay, and get your QR code and send the crypto over. Whereas if you go over here, you must remember to go back. If you do it this way, you click deposit. See, this comes up. I remember this. If you click deposit, you're going to make your deposit first. Then you have to go back over here and click the plans. Once it shows up here in the balance, then you have to go pick the plan. But if you out the gate, just go our plans. Boom. Well, which plan do you want? Click invest. Because I remember what happened was I did that deposit and it didn't show up. So it kind of threw me off. Then I had to send an email to support. And then they said, oh, it's here. But I forgot to go back and pick the plan. All right. So out the gate, just go ahead over here and pick our plans. Select one of the 6 plans, then make the deposit right here. Boom, 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 boom. Continue to invest. You're in there. All right. So we're in now, and I talked about this on Coffee and Coins on Saturday. I was showing you guys that it wasn't there. It's there now because of my mistake, and it's here. And you can see some earnings is in here. We're rolling around. We got some currency in the balance, and then today, looks like I think it was yesterday. Let me see here. If I click invest on the daily plan, right? And I want to see how this works this way before I make another add another plan. I wanted to make sure everything was lining up. Okay, so click investment. Then right here it says active plan. There's my active plan. I can click right here this arrow. Okay, now click this arrow. Daily plan 1.25, 90 days. I mean, that's nothing to sneeze at, guys. You got hypes out here paying 1.25. Yes, you can withdraw daily or weekly or whatever, but you don't know if they really gonna be here. I mean, they're hype. Not to say this not gonna be here, but they're not hyping this thing up. Okay, so 1.25 daily. All right, and then it kind of just breaks down everything, which is pretty darn cool the way they got this thing set up. Okay, transactions. So right here, the 30th, and it's already on today, 31st. Okay, so pretty darn cool. So that's where we stand. Everything is moving forward. All right. So if you're interested in checking out BrunoEx, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check BrunoEx out. They've got 6 plans to choose from. And or if you haven't used the exchange, that's another service you can use. Buy crypto, exchange crypto. Okay? Go check it out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Come back. I've got another video I've got to make for you guys because you got to see this. Okay, I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. All right, see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.